In this bowl, I have flaxseed, coconut flour, and almond flour. And I just added the sugar replacement sweetener, brown and granular. And it's by this company. That's the brown, and that is the granular. I've added cinnamon, allspice, salt, and baking powder. I put all my dry ingredients into the food processor to give it a smoother texture. I take 3 eggs and I beat them. This is my melted butter, so I melted it right in the microwave so I can butter my pan at the same time. I added the melted butter to my eggs. Added my vanilla extract. I added sour cream to my egg mixture. Now you can also use yogurt, full-fat yogurt. And now I'm going to combine my wet mixture into the fry. And now I added my egg mixture to the food processor. Now I am adding my macadamia nuts. And this is what she looks like, and she's getting ready to go into this 8x8 pan. Put her in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, these are the ingredients I will be using today. And here's the end result. I just took her out of the oven. I'm gonna let her cool down for like 35 minutes. But this looks delicious. So thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50+. Bye-bye. This looks delicious. It is.